This is Chandu. Now I am going to show how to connect the MySQL database with Java program. So here we need to, first of all, we need to set the class path. First we need to set the class path for the MySQL. So the MySQL connector file jar file will be separate. It will come here. I am going to show about that file SQL MySQL JDBC driver. So in this I am using this MySQL connector Java executable jar file. So this is the mm, uh, you need to select like this way, and you need to completely you need to select and copy it. Then go to system properties, and then advanced system settings. Here you will get in the advanced tab, you will environment variables. So here you need to set the class path for the MySQL. Actually, I already previously I have configured. So connector Java MySQL. So that is available in the J drive software. So here you need to set the class path. Then you need to create the sample SQL MySQL database. So here I have MySQL command line form. So my password is something XYZ. So you got the MySQL prompt. So here you have to use some commands. Show databases. So it will gives the complete databases list that is available in the MySQL. So the here I got the 5 databases. So here test I am going to use a test database. So which is by defaultly come with MySQL software. So I am going to use that now. Use test. So this is a command for using the database. So database has changed to test. So in this test database, show tables command. So which will show the tables list which is available in the test database. So our database name is test. So in that test database, there are only single table is available. There is nothing but a student table. So in the student table, I am going to uh, take a look about this table. So description command. So here I got the fields ID and name. So both are in a varchar. So and we have to. I think I have to open this record. Select to star from student student, which will gives the available records that are available in the test database. So here we got the records. So now we have to write the Java program for connecting with this MySQL database. So here small thing, this program is little bit difficult to write in the recording session. So already previously I have written this program. So jdbc demo.java open with something it is going to make. So directly I am going to open within notepad. So open all files. So jdbc demo.java. Here I got my file. So first one JavaX, which is used to JavaX package is nothing but an extended. It is extended by the java.sql package. There is no difference between in that. It is similar, but I think you already know the concept about it. So here I am going to it will come IO exception and SQL both are exceptions will come in this program. So I need to import these things. and driver manager, connection, statement, resulters. These are the classes I'm going to use here. So my class name is JDBC demo. So this must be our file name, otherwise it won't be compiled. Next, public static void main string works. So this is the main method of our program. So here I am throwing exceptions, SQL exception as well as class not found exception. So here I am using class dot for name method. For this is the driver name for the MySQL database. So if the driver will be, it is going to use for registering the driver with the MySQL. So if it is successfully completed this task, then you will get this message, driver registered successfully. So next I am going to give the URL pattern of the MySQL software. So URL is in the URL the main protocol JDBC :MySQL localhost. The port number is 3306. The MySQL default port number is 3306 only, and database name. This is the MySQL database name test, and my SQL username is root and password is admin. So I'm consider as strings. Next, connection. This is a interface and as well as class. I am creating the object for this, and driver manager dot get connection. Get connection is the method for establishing the connection with MySQL software. So here comma user comma password. So these three things are I'm using for connection. So then after if it is established the connection, then you will get this SOP message, connection established successfully. So next I used statement. So in the statement I have created statement object, and I am using con dot that is nothing but a connection object. So create statement in it result set st. So this is also one of the interface and as well as class. So I am creating the object for that interface and the statement execute query. This is the method. So select start from student. So this is the table which we are going to use. This student table is available in the test database. So next, while result set, so which will give the object return. So after getting that object, we need to write next method for continuous. If we won't write this line, it will give only record from that entire table. So for getting the all things which we are asked here, we have to use while condition, while loop. So string ID. ID is nothing but an object for which we are going to get. So RST result set dot get string. Get string is the method which is used to bring the string from the MySQL. So what is that string ID? These both are these are the ID and name. These both are the fields which you have created in the student table. Now I am creating the object for getString method. I am just ID as an ID and name as a name. Next, we have to we have to display the results. Whatever the objects coming from the MySQL software, we need to print it in the console. So for printing it in on the console, we need to write system.out.println. So in the println, I am asking the print. What I have to print here? ID and name. Okay. And next, after while loop, we need to close the all the objects which whatever we have written. So result set we are closing, then statement we are closing, then finally connection we are closing. So this is necessary in the industrial area. So definitely we have to close all the connections. So my program is ready. So after these things, we need to uh, compile it. So for compiling purpose, we need to go to the command prompt. So where my JDBC program is available? In the desktop web folder, in the web folder JDBC demo.java. So this is the file I am going to use here. So for that, and so this is command prompt. Change directory. Change where we have to change desktop. Sorry, I think I have typed some spelling mistake. Desktop. So in the desktop, we need to go to web directory. cd space web. Here I am showing directory by using dir command. So this is the file jdbc demo.java. This is our file. So we need to compile it. So for compiling purpose, Java C, Java compiler space jdbc demo. So Java is the case sensitive. So we need to follow the exact string name. So jdbc demo.java. So it is compiling. So here I won't get any error message. So that means it is successfully completed the compiling process. So now it is ready for execution. So in the execution, I am using Java command jdbc demo, Java jdbc demo. So here in the first line, driver registered successfully, connection established successfully, and the statement will be passed to the MySQL, and it was detected the object. So here we got the two records from the MySQL. So if you will have the doubt sometimes, so if you won't give these things, for example, if you want to use this, sorry, I think I have not saved this thing. Again I am saving. Okay, it is successfully compiled. Java JDBC demo. Here we are getting the exception in thread main SQL except before result state start or result state. So that is exception. It is returning. So we need to write some commands for specifically. So, but already I think you have understand what is the importance of while command, while loop. So, so I am closing this program, and again I am sorry, I am compiling my program. I am executing. So we got it. So here we got the file. So now I am closing this command prompt and as well as MySQL. So finally, one thing you should remember, uh, while establishing the connection to the MySQL software, definitely you need to uh, open the MySQL server. You need to start the server. Otherwise, it won't establish. It will get the SQL exception error, and sometime if your database name is incorrect, then it will shows SQL exception and class not found exceptions. So like that, right? So you remember one thing: you should start the SQL server. Otherwise, the connection will not be established. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.